and hormones. Hormones, the natural hormones in your body. These hormones are released in your brain, from your primitive brain, when you expose yourself to this kind of Himalayan meadow. Look at this meadow region, full of abundance, and just have the feel of the expansiveness of this place. Have a feel of the total meadow region in the middle of this green zone. I found this place which is full of abundance and full of instinctive nature, especially the meadows. When you find a meadow like this, you feel what are the benefits of this region. The benefit is it is surrounded by green forest. All around there is green forest, and I can see and feel the sensation in my lower brain, and also the sensation of Kundalini energy, the primordial energy in you. So when I am talking about health and happiness and hormones, the 4 hormones that are released by your body are released naturally without you doing anything exclusively. You have to expose yourself to such kind of nature where you get the excess of the natural oils released by these plants, these trees, this vegetation. And if you can listen to the sound, something in the background, the sound of the bird is coming, and all the good hormones, the DOSE, DOSE, gets released when you are in such region. For example, one by one, how it gets released and how it is connected to your health, happiness, and of course life. Without hormones, your life is dead. The pleasures that you feel in your body is due to the release of hormones, and this release of hormones is reversed in the cities. The stress hormones, cortisol is released, adrenaline is released when you are too much hyper activated and hyper stressed. In the cities, you will not get access to the open space like this. Right now it is completely cloudy because of the rainforest effect. I am in the rainforest, and here the energy is pure oxygen is the highest, pure negative ions is the highest, and also the presence of prana, the Himalayan energy, the negative energies, negative ions, all these are in abundance. And when your brain is exposed to this, your prefrontal cortex shuts down. This means the thinking brain shuts down. Right now I cannot think anything. You become blank. In a way, you reach to the highest state of consciousness. So I am connecting everything to you, making sense to you by experientially feeling it first. Health, happiness is not without hormones. You cannot feel the sense of achievement without dopamine releasing in you naturally. This is around 2000 meter high level above the sea level. The height is around that region, and I have actually traveled to 2100 meter. I have descended down somewhere from there. You can see the top of the trees. From there I have descended from this forest, and I have now reached here. And at this region, what I feel is, I feel that the dopamine that released in me was not due to covering a distance of 2100 meter, but the increase in the heart rate naturally that happened when I was climbing. Whenever you are climbing, I could feel that also my heart center, that is the vortex of your life. Heart chakra is the central vortex of your life energy. If your heart chakra or the heart center is open, the heart vortex is open, this means that you are alive. And if it is closed, then you are traumatic, you are depressed, you are dead, and you are not living your life. So dopamine release happening in a natural way like this, I have never experienced, because of course it was my journey too, to travel so far and make myself happy and healthy naturally, and I did my work. The next hormone, that is the oxytocin, DOSC, I am decoding it for you. O for oxytocin. Oxytocin is released when you just love unconditionally. I am loving myself, and that is why I am here. I have exposed myself to this raw nature, and I am feeling that this life is what I wanted to create. I have created it for myself. I am creating it for you because I am the teacher, I am the master. I want you to get the highest, and that is why at this moment I am here. Just look at the natural vegetation, this ambience. It's making you feel expanded, and when you feel expanded, you actually can love yourself this way. No more stopping. This openness expands your heart chakra completely. This opens your throat chakra completely. I am expressing myself the fullest, and that releases serotonin. This means I am serving you in a new unique way. I am actually giving you surprises in a unique way. I can sit here, I can sleep here, I can do anything I want, and I just feel that this is the highest experience anyone can get in the meadows. Whenever you come to the meadows, expose yourself to the ground, sleep on the ground, and take the highest of the highest grounding effect. Open your shoes, do anything and everything. It is getting evening, so I won't open my shoes because I have to hike back. But someday I will come here in the daytime, in the sunlight, because this was a descending journey from there. So this is releasing serotonin in you, because I know this video is going to reach someone who is suffering out there, unhealthy and unhappy you are, and this video will make you shift your energy, and you will get out of your home and start trekking like this somewhere in nature. And the last hormone, that is the endorphin, which is the painkiller. Natural painkiller is released when you expose your body to the terrains. When you are walking, look, when I am climbing uphill, what is happening? When you are climbing, you have to move your pelvic in natural way. This is the natural way you climb up. Your entire pelvic region is moving. When you look around, your pelvic is getting this turning, which never happens in home. You look there, you just tilt your pelvic completely. When you walk down, then also the calf muscles are used brilliantly. All the pressure is on the knee and the calf and the ankle. That is why you need some good shoes, hiking shoes like this. Whenever you are taking the decision, then this kind of shoes, good quality, good branded shoes, you should invest in for this kind of experience. And if you do this, your health, happiness and hormones are guaranteed. And this hormone is what will make you feel expanded. Behind me is the Annapurna range. Right now I am at a region called nearby to Dhampus, coming from the Australian camp, and rest you can do your own research to reach such kind of places. Thank you so much. Bye bye and freedom.